What's up guys, it's your boy Cole Bell back with another video, and you guys already know by the title and thumbnail, your boy's going on another date. Same girl as last time. So before you get into this date, I want y'all to click the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. Comment down below real quick if you think the date's gonna go good or bad. She should be up here waiting for me. I showed up a bit late, not off to a good start, but let's go up and say hi. What's up? Guys, right off the bat, I came in with a slick entrance. Tonight is gonna be a dub. Let's go disco theme.
No, I don't.
It's just like the club. Sport.
Prehistoric. Oh, we're doing this one.
Prehistoric.
Dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs.
Okay.
Alright, you can put your
I
name
wanna
first.
go first.
Ladies first. Ladies first.
What should my name be? I don't know how to hold.
Oh, so let me teach you. So basically, you just put 2 fingers in this hole, and then one in the one down there.
Yeah.
There's a ball on our way.
Oh, we gotta go get it.
Wild. You go. I'm too scared. How did that even happen? I'm very competitive. I'm not going down without a fight.
Why is your name Dubbing tonight?
I'm just pretty good at predicting the future.
Oh my god.
Stretch.
Ow! Good God. You know what? That's how you do it. That would have been way cooler if it hit. Just like me on dates.
Your day's going so far.
Bro, the date's going really good. I've really pulled it together this time. This is a prime example of the Tom Brady fourth quarter comeback. Because she left last time with my brother, but I came back striking. This just shows you guys, never give up. Because I'm back in the lead.
How's the day going?
I thought he was really weird last time, but he's actually normal now, I think.
You know, some people play bowling as like a competitive sport. They like come here with their bags and their sunglasses ready for battle. They like come in and wax their ball.
Oh my god.
Wait, I think I need bumpers.
What are you doing over there on your phone, huh?
Nothing.
Yeah.
Blondes are bad luck. Push hard.
I am pushing.
Oh my god. Dude, that was the stupidest idea ever.
Well, our bowling game ended, and I won just like usual. But like, since you're always playing games with me, I was like wondering if you want to like go hit the arcade and play some games.
Okay.
All right, guys, we just finished up bowling. Now we're gonna play some games.
So, I got a microphone on my boob.
We have an Ella takeover now, guys. Ella's mic'd up instead of me because last vlog we were at the arcade and I was mic'd up.
Give me the card.
Oh my God, hang on. I'm the king of this shit. Ready? If she doesn't like me yet, she's about to like me now. Ready?
That's easy.
I can do it with these. Ready? Look at me.
Give me the mic.
No way.
Let's play this one. Right here. It already.
Treats on me tonight.
Try again.
No. No.
Oh shit. Oh no.
Who touched you?
Sarah.
Who's Sarah? Is that an alias?
Watch this, watch this. You guys can't even see me, but I'm gonna try to get Cole to win me a teddy bear.
I don't want your boob tape. We need more tape out of the bag. Hit my DM, guys, if you want Ella's boob tape. I will be auctioning it off. Highest bidder gets it. Right here. I'm going for the one on his back.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
No, that's what I was saying. That. Oh my God, we have to have it. No, 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 no. That's not how I roll.
Select your jackpot to begin.
When I was a kid, I used to play this with my grandma. Do not fuck it up. Do not fuck it up. Ready? Watch this jackpot right here. I'm a legend.
Don't give up now.
Here's my card. Treats on me. She thinks she is the mic right now and she's talking crap, but like it's right here on me. You guys already know. I never let such an imbecile have the mic. She ran away with the card. I just wasted 50 bucks because she's nowhere to be found. Did you see like a blonde girl run around here within the last like 10 seconds that way? Oh my God. We had to call security on you, you thief. No one wants to play Luigi. Mario's better anyway. Luigi's just an act. He doesn't even say anything. Get up.
Wanna win me a diamond necklace?
Oh, don't even worry about it. I have a lot more of those where that comes from. Don't even think about it. Oh, I tore my ACL, my elbow, my funny bone, my funny bone, my funny bone. Kiss my funny bone. Kiss it now.
You got it, good job.
All right, guys, my 18-year-old manly self is playing Castle.
Princess Castle.
We're playing Princess Castle. You don't know how I run it around here. I'm the Princess Castle champion. I'm really competitive. Hey! Woo! Ready? That was the most unathletic thing I've ever done in my life. Imagine. All right, guys, I'm passing back the mic. There's fur on
From
it.
jumping.
You're being a little bit aggressive, don't you think?
I'm imagining it's your face. It's the last one.
You're looking for this? Too high, too low, too slow.
You're so weird.
First place.
You already know.
Good job. Me sitting there for guidance is the reason why we got first place. This game's all about focus. She did it. She did it with her eyes closed.
Oh no!
Suck. Oh! Bro, put you away.
Oh no!
Oh my.
Betting my whole YouTube channel, she gets less tickets than I do. We have 14 total tickets. What do you want? Because I probably have 0 tickets, but you get to choose. Fluffy stuff.
I want that one.
All right, well, see, we're gonna have to come back another day.
Another day.
We have absolutely no tickets.
$28.
$28 for 100 tickets. This thing right here is $28. This is like 5 cents at the store.
I didn't realize Cole was so cheap. Like, he only has 150 tickets. Like, all I can get is like a piece of candy. Lame. It's hard to have done better.
You know I'll be watching this in like 30 minutes. This thing, $28. There you go. What else do you want? You want an egg?
Yeah. We don't even
This
have
looks
enough for
really
that.
raw.
Actually, we do have enough for that if we only get that one.
For this, it matches her hair.
We have,
Ew, it's greasy. That's it for the main event part of the date. I'll see you guys in the next part of the video, or if this thing's over. See ya!